What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry for not uploading for a while. I know it's been a week since my last video. The issue is I've been working on my AI, my algorithm, a lot, probably spending about 4 to 6 hours aside from school and over the weekends, everything, and my business, so I just haven't had time to record a video. I did take a couple of trades though. I haven't been trading as much because I've been spending my time developing the algorithm, developing the AI as well. The AI is actually ready for testing. I'm gonna get maybe 5 to 10 beta testers at a very discounted rate. It'll only be $25 a month, which is a tenth of the value of the AI itself. The AI will be launching at $250 a month. I know a lot of people asked me to create this AI. They asked for the release. I already had some basic AI that I used on my own, and then I had people message me asking for access to it, and I didn't really want to go through a process of selling it because then I'd have to refine it, and that's what I'm doing right now. The AI is completely not required at all to trade. Honestly, I do recommend people to learn how to trade before using any tools in the first place. For example, any of the trades that I took today, or today last week actually, were completely just on my own using price action, so that's what I'm going to cover today. And today we're actually, this week rather, we are up 15k on the challenge. Last week we were at 25k, so that brings us to a total of 40k. We're closing in on this challenge. This challenge is to show people that they can build up a 100k capital pretty quickly. And like always, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Oh, and one more thing, on my Discord server, I'm going to make this channel public. I just had an issue where it was sending duplicate messages, but I have my market updates live now, and what this will do is every day, as you can see, 7 a.m. starting from today, I drew out the levels. So I give my levels to my AI, and that my AI is able to just write this out for me. So I set up all the trends. I let you guys know. Today we were in a 4 out of 4 bull trend. If you did know, NASDAQ was up over 1% today, and ES was about 0.2% up today. If you took longs today at any of these levels, you would have been very profitable today. So that's just the analysis. So this channel is completely free, so I'm giving out free levels, and every single day I'm going to be posting all throughout the day, completely free. This is extremely useful if you want. It's just in my Discord server, and then also if you want to be part of the beta testing group, just send me a message on Discord. Okay, now let's get into the video. So we're just going to review. I think I only took 2 or 3 trades this week. Let's see. Yep, took 3 trades this week. Very simple price action on the 15-minute. So as you can see, just a quick cover of what happened. That was a last week trade, but we had this quick buy up all the way up to this level, and at this level we started to consolidate a bit. As you can see, if I can draw this out, right around here we had some consolidation. As you can see, price tried to break higher, got rejected, came back down. This is why I say wait for price. If you want to break out of a level, so if you want to break out of this level, you can see that we broke out, but don't enter long on this breakout, because like I always say, price will come back to this area of interest, and what you're looking for is price going to bounce off here, or is it going to continue to come back down? And as you can see, the breakout wasn't strong enough. We actually came back down to this level. We started basing off this level, so that's where I have this little area from about 35.5 to 36.5. So this was the area I'm looking. If we break down, we could see this area become a rejection, right? And that's exactly what happened here. This area became a rejection. I took this trade on this. There was probably like 5-6 tests here. As you can immediately tell, we started to consolidate in this area, and around the open I took the short, and I took it down to this area of support. And this is a very quick trade that was an RR of 6.4. I believe each one of these trades netted about 5,000, so 1,000 across every single account. And yeah, let's move on to the next trade. So what you see here, and this one actually was a very simple trade. This was just a support area. So what happened is price came up here, went a little bit higher, and then again, once again, you see this area playing as a resistance here. It's still an active area of resistance. So when price came down here, I noticed that this area seemed to be some area of interest or resistance before a breakout. So if price did break out and come back down, either it respects the area or it doesn't. And as you can see, it didn't respect this area, but it did respect this area, this previous support. That's great. So I decided to take the long on the second test of this support. This time it actually held, but I did set my stop below this low in case it doesn't hold, and it held, and I took the trade up to, again, this area that I have from this trade back here. I took it to this area and bounce off support, reject off the previous support that turned into resistance, and we have a very nice trade, nice and simple, netted about 7 RR. And if we go here, price broke out of here, very aggressive buy up, didn't really trade here, didn't see much opportunity. You could have argued that once price broke out of here, and then came back to test it and then continued to head upwards, you could have argued you had a long trade. You definitely did, just didn't notice it myself. And let's see, this is the last trade of the week. As you can see, this one's very simple as well. I'm sure you can already tell what is going on here. This area that's been playing as a resistance here and played as a resistance here, which was previously a support, all the way here. This is still like a topic I covered in my first video. It's so simple, yet traders still get, tossed around in markets when stuff like this happens. It's always consolidation and then a hike to the next level and consolidation. Anyways, let's see here. Price came all the way back down here, and as you notice, price came here. Took a very nice, easy long off here. I set my stops below my level of interest, and this was about a, let's see, a 22 RR. I do believe I set the stop a little bit too aggressive. It was probably more like this. So, oh no, not a 22 RR, sorry, 10 RR. That makes more sense. Great. So I took it up to this previous rejection. As you can see, price did reject pretty heavy off here. Big sell back down into here. I marked this level. You could have taken it along here, came back up here, and it's been chopping around. So I'm not sure what will happen from here. Don't see too many trade opportunities. Maybe we have a potential flag setting up here. It could be that price wants to hang around this area before making a next leg up. We'll see what happens there. But yeah, oh, one more thing. My AI, here's a sneak peek of the channel. So I did mention that I'll be making a video on this, on the AI, a sneak peek of the AI. This is what I would see, and then I made sure I set up a bot, and this is able to create a contract to buy. It's very simple. It's just a buy contract or a put contract. And so I'm going to be running this test for about a week or two, and like I mentioned, the beta users will have access to this for only $25 a month. I'm going to probably cap it out at like 5 to 10 people. I don't want too many beta testers, and those beta testers are going to be able to also lock in a lower rate. So what's going to happen is the launch is going to be $250, but the beta testers are going to be able to pay only $200. No, sorry, $50 lower, all the way up back to $250. So what's going to happen is it's going to be $25 a month, right, for the beta testing period. Then it's going to be $50 a month, $100 a month, $150 a month, $200 a month, and $250 a month. And throughout the course of probably like a couple months, you're going to be saving hundreds of dollars. And the good thing is I'm going to probably make a full extensive video on this, but it's just kind of like a sneak peek for people who are interested. This program is likely going to net you more than $250 a month. Just giving you a heads up if you use it properly. Again, I only want proper traders to be able to use software. I don't want people just relying solely on it. Set your risks properly. I don't know, whatever percent of your account size. If you're aggressive, maybe 10, 5. If you're less aggressive, maybe 1%, right? But I just want to cover this. This is a personal trade I took a while ago from my algorithm. This is a little bit different. This is my algorithm channel right here. My algorithm is actually an indicator on TradingView. It's a little bit different. This one actually tells you of breakouts before they happen. And if you notice, this trade right here on Palantir, this long trade was insane. I took this around the area where the algo alerted me. I took it all the way up. I set my stop, I believe, below here, or around there. It's a little bit different when you're using option contracts. And this was a 7 RR trade. Honestly, I probably netted about, I think I took very long dated options, so maybe only like 500-600% on this trade. It sounds like a lot, but sometimes I get 10x. But yeah, no, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know. And yeah, be sure to reach out to me if you want to be part of the beta testers group. It's a very, very nice opportunity for you if you're interested. And just message me on Discord, and I should be able to help you out with that. Have a good night.